Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm doing a Sephora haul because the Sephora sale just happened. I probably should have done this when it was going on, but my package just arrived and the sale ended like a few days ago. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the Sephora sale because I usually go crazy at the sale. I'm a Rogue member, so I get 20% off. So Sephora never has sales or like any discounts, so like when they have a sale, your girl goes a little crazy. To begin, I actually started using some of these products, but I like stocked up on a lot of my favorites, which I think are in that box, but one of my favorites is this facial oil. This is the Herbivore Orchard facial oil. This is like my third bottle now. It smells heavenly. I don't know, I just love it. It's like very nice and clean, but this is my favorite facial oil. It doesn't make me break out. I have very sensitive skin, so I usually stick to the things that I know, and usually when I'm feeling a little risky, I'll try something new. But been using this for about a year now. One of my favorite oils, especially in the summer. My skin gets so dry, and that just like makes me look so glowy and really hydrates my face. On to oils. This guy, I just picked this up. I actually used it last night for the first time. And this is the Moroccan Oil Dry Body Oil. So I used to use their shampoo and it smells amazing. And I heard, my skin right now is just so dry because it went from cold to hot here in Arizona, and also the water here is like very hard. So my skin dries out very easily. So I was like, oh, I need a good, body oil. This guy is great. And what's good about like a dry body oil, it like doesn't leave you doesn't leave that like oiliness lingering like a baby oil does. Your like body like just soaks it up. You look pretty, I would say you look like moisturized and dewy, but you don't feel the oil. Does that make sense? I don't know. Nothing sticks to you or anything. I absolutely love it. Packaging, just adorable. And it smells like their shampoo and conditioner, and it makes me want to go get their shampoo and conditioner again just because of the smell. So I'm really into hair care right now. I'm trying to grow my hair even longer, so I've been purchasing like a bunch of stuff to try out, which I want to dedicate a whole video to like my favorite hair care products at the moment, because I kind of found some gems and I just kind of want to talk about them. But so I really wanted like a nice hair mask, so I've been hearing a lot of stuff about this. This is the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Cute packaging, just super simple, but heard great things about this, about the brand and about this product. So I actually used it last night and my hair feels really good. I'm getting a haircut next week because my ends feel really dry, but this really like kind of just like helped moisturize them, bring them back to life. Yeah, so I literally just like wet my hair, put this on, put it up in a bun, and then I went and showered it out after like 10-20 minutes. 2 makeup items in this box. I think I only got makeup, or 2 makeup items. I don't know, I just don't wear that much makeup really anymore. More of like the natural look and like just a little bit of spot concealing or whatever. But I really wanted to try this. This is the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury, the Instant Soft Focus Primer. Love the packaging. I really wanted to get like the blush stick or the highlighter one that like we see, that's like, it went viral on TikTok and now it's sold out. So couldn't get it, which I'm kind of sad because it's expensive and I could have used a discount. So thank you, TikTok. But how cute is that packaging? So cute. I honestly love just wearing primer. Oh, it's a bit oily. Primer in the summertime, especially primer that like makes you look glowy and kind of just, makes you look sun-kissed. So this is a primer here. I'm gonna blend it out. Ooh, it feels really nice. A little bit oily. So if you have oily skin, maybe stay away. But I don't know, my hand is like glistening, and it like is so smooth. You probably can't really tell, but it like made my hand look super soft. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. This one has primer and this one doesn't. Maybe not. Okay. Anyways, really pretty. So I'm really excited to try this out actually. It feels good. Okay, it actually dried down and it's not super oily. It does have some like shimmer in it, like a little bit of glitter. It's not chunks, but it is there. So keep that in mind if you're not into that. And then lastly, I'm so excited. I actually tried it today before this video, and this is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Joy. Okay, focus. In the shade Joy, this is the Selena Gomez brand. I'm a big fan. I love her. And I think the packaging is seriously the cutest thing in the entire world. Like, that is so cute. This is the shade Joy. I think this is the one that she like really likes as well, and it's also the only one that was available. But it's kind of like this like terracotta color. It's very intimidating, but blends out really beautiful on the cheeks. I really like the handle of it, and I don't know, it's just so cute. So I'm very excited to like fully use this on a day that I like. I'm actually wearing a lot of makeup because I'm literally just wearing two concealer dots, a little dab of blush, which goes a long way, and mascara and lip gloss. So very excited to try this out for like a full glam as well, especially in the summertime because I like to look very like blushed up. Like rosy cheeks, sun-kissed, kind of have a sunburn. Like I said, I kind of stocked up on my favorite skincare because I was actually running low. So my ultimate favorite cleanser, been using it for actually 1 whole year now. And I have gone through 3 little tubs. 3 of them. This is my 4th. And this was freaking huge. So this is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser, the Pure Skin. And it's one of my favorite cleansers. I was actually a college ambassador for them last year, and they sent me a bunch of products and I fell in love with them. And it's the only thing that keeps my face clear. Like, I used to break out a lot, and that's the only thing that keeps it clear. It's very clean, it's allergy tested, it's fragrance free, so it doesn't break you out. My boyfriend actually really loves it, and his skin is way more sensitive than mine. So keep that in mind. But this is so big. This is the 8 ounce, and it was like, I think 25 bucks. So a very good price for a really nice facial cleanser if you want to invest. Also, my favorite moisturizer is the Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration. This one is a 6 ounce. It's also in the $20 range, I believe, but it's the best moisturizer on the planet. You can use it on your legs if you want, whatever. But my tub, I'd say I'm like 1/4 of being done. So it's lasted me a whole year because I got it 1 year ago. Actually, I got it last year in March. So like a year and 1 month. So it lasts you a really long time. 20 bucks lasts you a whole year. I mean, you really can't beat that. So I love this. Makes my skin look so moisturized and dewy. It's like chef's kiss. Okay, and then lastly, there's 2 new products that I'm very excited to try. So I've heard really good things about this guy right here. So this is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It says this one's like a limited edition. I don't really know. So I have no idea. And I guess this is just like a nice sunscreen that leaves you, like I heard, like really glowy and dewy. Has SPF 40, and packaging is really cute. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. You see what it is. It says it's unseen, so I'm not sure. But, oh, it's a limited edition run. Okay, it's oil-free, great, love that. Non-comedogenic, great, it's not supposed to clog your pores. Water and sweat resistant, awesome. Natural finish, all skin types, clean chemical sunscreen actives. Awesome, love all those things. Oh, whoa. It's kind of like a pore filling primer almost. It's like that. It kind of like looks like silicone a little bit. It's right here. Oh, that feels really good. It has like that silicone type of feel to it. But I don't think there's silicone in this because this is supposed to be a clean brand. I'm excited. I'm trying a new skincare, and I really love Glow Recipes watermelon mask. So I really want to try the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It says for the ultimate glow and brightening. It's like a highlighting serum box. Is so cute. I hope it smells good. Okay, how to use for a maximum glow, and then they show you how to use for a natural glow. Okay. On a no makeup day, apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step. Okay. For a glossy eye look. Oh wow, you can do it as like highlighter, glossy eye look on the eyelids. Okay, okay. Oh wow, this is so cute. Guys, it's so cute. Look at how cute that packaging is. Super aesthetic, definitely like a PFG moment. Okay. Smells like the watermelon mask. All right, so it looks like that. Oh, you can definitely see that glow. Ooh, okay, wait. Do you guys see that? Okay, I see you. Okay, the little nose action. Cute. Okay. This is gonna be amazing. I honestly thought it was like skincare. I mean, I guess it is, but I'm definitely gonna use this on like a no makeup day when I just wanna like look kind of glowy. I thought you could use this all over your face. Probably not. I'm not sure, but that is so pretty, guys. That completes this Sephora sale haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I love all the products linked down below for you guys if you guys want to shop. Probably should have done this when the sale was happening, but they had delayed shipping. So honestly, don't be mad at me, be mad at Sephora. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.